I'm Joseph with JTech. I'm going to be going over how to set up the car for an alignment. So this car here has been lowered, so we're going to make sure the alignment's good. The first thing we're going to do is check the ride height and go from the top of the tire to the bottom of the fenders. Now that you've done that, next thing we're going to do is check the tire pressures on all 4 of the tires. And then we're checking the tire pressure as you go with what the backer on the inside of the door says. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to have to do is check the suspension components. So we've got to get the car up in the air so we can check the tires, make sure that all the tire rod ends, ball joints and everything's good and tight so that we don't get an inaccurate alignment. Okay, now we're going to check the tires to make sure there's no movement. And now I'll check the ball joints and the tire rod ends to make sure that they're good and tight. Up and down. That's good. That's how the side's good. Same thing on this side. Now we're going to select the vehicle for the alignment on the machine. So we just got to come down and find the make, the year, and the model, and then we put in the ride height. The next step is got to put the heads on, and this is so the alignment machine can actually see what's going on with the tires whenever you're making your adjustments, and you can get an accurate alignment. So, made out of plastic. We also got these indicators here to go on a specific tire, so for each one you got to put it on the tire that is shown in the orientation here. And when you're putting these on, you want to try to have the top one as level as you can, and you want the main hub to be at the center part of the tire, and then you tighten it down.
I need to use this. Only issue though is I work most of them. suck in now? Yeah. Suck it real good.
Yeah, and that's the heads on time. Okay, now now that we got the heads on, we gotta do a rollback on the flag. So we gotta push it forward and then pull it back so that I can get the exact revolutions on the alignment machine. So we'll come back here. We gotta go forward first. We'll take the front one out. Take off. How many revolutions each tire goes per mile. Next, now we gotta install a pocket brake compressor and take all the pins out on the front tires. So, first thing we do is we take the pins out here. And now we got to install the brake pedal compressor.
So you want to get the brake pedal compressor. Okay.
And it's the next screen. Now we gotta adjust the cast on it, so we'll get in, we'll turn the steering wheel, and we'll get it into the green spots there, and that'll let us know what the cast is at.
I don't know if I got paid last week or not.
So then, since the first green line is on the left, we gotta turn the steering wheel to the left.
I've been trying to